Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora.
Aloha Lele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it's clapping. Paki paki.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a hug. Awhi.
Clue tuatoru, our final clue is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai, ka pai, it's a teddy bear. A teti pea. Not just any teddy bear, this is manawa bear. Hey, we have all 3 clues. We have paki paki, clapping. We have awhi, a hug. And we have Teti Pea, a teddy bear.
Oh, I know what song we're going to sing. We're going to sing everybody's favourite, Awhi Teti Pea.
That's right, this is a Māori version of Rockabye Your Bear. So we're pretty sure you'll know that song. Same actions, just different words. Now, we've got our friend Manawa Bear right here who's going to join us in the video too.
So let's go have a sing along. I'll count to toru, click my fingers, and we'll scoot over there. Tahi, rua, toru.
Paki paki mai, waiata mai, la 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 la, tuohu ki tohoa, bow, huri huri e, yippee! Ringa ki runga awhi teti pea, e moi teti pea, e moi teti pea. Oh no, Teti Pea's fallen asleep. Alright, we're all gonna count to toru and then we're gonna scream E oho Teti Pea, which means wake up Teddy Bear, as loud as we can. Are you ready to count together? Tahi, rua, toru, E oho Teti Pea! Yay, she woke up. Alright, let's sing it again. Paki paki mai, waiata mai, la 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 la, tuohu ki tohoa, bow, huri huri e, yippee! Ringa ki runga awhi teti pea, e moi teti pea, e moi teti pea. Teti Pea's fallen asleep again. Alright, you know what to do. We're gonna scream really loud and wake up Teti Pea. Tahi, rua, toru, e oho Teti Pea! Alright, let's do it one more time. Paki paki mai, waiata mai, la 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 la, tuohu ki tohoa, bow, huri huri e, yippee! Ringa ki runga awhi teti pea, e moi teti pea, e moi teti pea, e moi teti pea. Oh, alright. How about we let Teti Pea sleep this time? Pō maria Teti Pea.
That was so much fun. I loved singing that song in Te Reo Māori.
Did you have fun dancing with Manawa Bear?
Cool. She's kind of cute, isn't she? Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 things we learnt at the beginning. Here's the first one. Starts with the sound P. Pa. Paki paki. Clap.
The second one starts with the sound A. Af. Afi. A hug.
And our last one starts with the sound T. Te. Teti Pea. Teddy bear. Hey, we hope you enjoyed dancing and singing and clapping with us in that song. Let's go and do our goodbye song together.
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Oh, hey you, make sure to like and subscribe down below.
So you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes!
Tag.